Hi there. Hello. Let's go and discuss planning and how to plan. As you might have heard, plan your work and work your plan. And if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Now let us look at what is planning. Planning is a systematic and orderly process that allows managers to determine what they want and how to get it. Now, what actually you plan? You plan for goals and standards. You devise certain rules and procedures. You forecast and you set certain strategies and actions to achieve your plans. How you actually plan?
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.